If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, why doesn't this look right? Why do I feel invisible? Or, I spent money but I still don't feel like me. It might not be you. It might be the trend. So today, I'm exposing the 5 trends that are secretly holding us back. Yes, even Zara is guilty. And I'll show you what to wear instead. So you look expensive, not confused. Trend number 1, mesh on mesh on mesh. Let's talk about the mesh apocalypse. Mesh dresses, mesh tops, mesh sleeves over more mesh. It's like we're all caught in a fashion fishing net. And no one's catching compliments. It's not the idea of mesh that's bad. It's that most of it is thin, cheap, and gives last-minute rave flyer energy. We've already spent years being told to shrink. This trend just makes it literal. Transparent fabric, transparent power. This is why your outfit felt off, even though it was trending. What to wear instead? Sheer can be elevated. Look for mesh with structure, texture, and layering. Or go with silky-like coverage plus sharp tailors. Sexy without screaming. Trend number 2. Unitards as outfits. This is for the girlies wearing full-body catsuits to brunch, looking like a Marvel stunt double. Unitards have their place. Pilates, not dinner with your in-laws. There's a difference between fitted and exposed. We don't have to show everything to prove that we're confident. Power dressing isn't about skin, it's about presence. Your power doesn't fit the trend. What to wear instead? Try a structured bodysuit with wide leg trousers, or a slip dress with a blazer that says, I pay my own bills, and yours too. The trend isn't bad, it's just keeping you from being seen. Trend number 3, baby core and toddler bows. I draw the line at dressing like you just left a preschool recital. These bows are out here fighting for their lives. And for what? We are not children. We are not cupcakes. We are women. Latinas especially are told to be soft. To shrink, be the good girl. But I don't come this far to tie myself up in satin and pretend I'm small. What to wear instead? Keep the feminine energy. Lose the infantilization. Try asymmetric ruffles, sculpted floral details, or one bold statement, not 12. This summer we don't blend, we become. Trend number 4, paper thin matching sets. You know the ones. The linen set that wrinkles if you look at it wrong and clings to places it shouldn't. Matching doesn't mean stylish. There's some of you out here looking like chic laundry bags. Style tip. Look for weight and drape. A little tailoring, a better cut, even a belt changes everything. If the clothes don't respect your body, they don't deserve your money. And trend number 5, Y2K trauma revival. I survived 2004 once. Low-rise jeans, glitter lip gloss. Okay, I still wear that though, I'm not gonna lie. And existential dread. I'm not doing it again. We don't need to relive the era that told us thin equals worthy. We're rewriting it. We're wearing confidence, not nostalgia, trauma. What to wear instead? Bring the energy, not the insecurity. Do the early 2000s with new proportions. Wide leg jeans with crop tops, sleek mini bags, and volume on the top. Sleek but centered. Trends can be fun, but when they start to erase us, our shape, our age, our culture, our power, that's when I say no. We don't chase fashion. We create it. We're not here to look like everyone else. We're here to look like the version of ourselves that we were always afraid to be. Tell me below, which trend are you breaking up with today? And if you're done with fashion that shrinks you, hit like because we're just getting started.